Hi everyone. Today I'm going to be showing you my raspberry tiger rose, also known as a Brindabella rose. This is red with pink stripes. There's another bud right there coming out. Another one right there. There's another rose on this side. With this rose plant, you want to water well when soil feels dry. Don't let standing water too long. Drain water out of your saucer or whatever your pot is sitting in. Turn your plant every few weeks for even growth. If indoors, which this is for indoors, leave in a very sunny room. It likes lots of sun. Very pretty for Valentine's Day too. Very pretty. Came in this pot with some type of mulch in here. and a wooden box, red and gray. Had this for about a week now. I might take outside in the yard in the spring, but if it does well in the house, I'll leave it in here in a sunny room or under some LED lights. Very pretty plant. It's got some more buds here. Love the colors, very pretty. Very pretty. These are smaller flowers, these roses. All right. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them below in the comments section, and I'll be glad to answer them for you. Bye-bye for now.